spent so much time the last couple of years doing all the product development that it's nice to get back to sewing and getting all the black machines and one gray in order. You can see I got my hands full with black machines, but I sure love them. Something about making them on the black machines just really puts you in touch with the history of America and what once was and what still is. I hope you enjoyed the little glimpse into my collection, and I look forward to making all the new jeans and overalls on the black machines.